Let me just wear this. Wow. The moment I wear, actually hear a sound indicating that it is connected as well. Okay, I just clicked a photo of this flowers. Let's see how it is going to come. Let's unbox this Rayban Meta Gen2 glasses. Let me just open this. Wow. You see the Ray-Ban box here. This is indicating the power. So if it is orange, that means we need to charge this. If it is going to show as green, that means this is completely charged as well. You also have the charging port right over here. Now let me just take out the glasses and explain all the features. Let me just pull this out. So this is power on and off switch. Okay. So if you see red, that means power is off, and this is power on. Now right over here, this is 12 megapixel camera, and right underneath this side. Okay. So this is the microphone. You see this? This is the microphone. And if you come this side, this is capture LED. So whenever you take photo or record video, the light is going to glow over here. And right on this side, so this is the touchpad, this entire section. Now whenever you are using your cell phone, either you want to increase the volume of the music or decrease the volume, or you want to do any other actions, so this is the touchpad that will be used. Now right underneath here, okay, so this is the speakers. You see this section, this is the speakers. And if I just quickly show you on the inside, this section, okay, so this is your notification LED. Now say for example, I'll just turn this on and off. Okay, you see that now it is glowing as red. Okay, now when I enable this, this is glowing. So this is notification LED, and this button, this is the capture button. If you click once, you will be taking a photo. If you press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds, it will start recording the video. If you press once again, the recording will stop. So these are the features of Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Let me show you how you can connect the Ray-Ban Gen 2 Meta glasses. Now for that, all you have to do is first, the moment you open the box, you have the QR code to get started. Just scan this QR code. I'm going to open my phone and scan this QR code, and I'll just open this. The moment you open this, it will show you a Meta AI Glasses app. You just have to download that. Let me just hit this. Okay, now let me just click on open, and it says get started with Meta AI. Let me just click on this. Okay, now it is saying to get started, log in to create a Meta account. Okay, or you can also use mobile number or email address. I'll just prefer to use mobile number or email address. So what's your mobile number? Okay, I'll give the mobile number here. Let me just do this step right now. I've just entered my mobile number, and I'm just going to click on next. Okay, so create a new Meta account. I'll just click on, I say I already have an account. So let me continue with my Meta account. Okay, so it is taking my name and everything. I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, creating Meta account, this may take few moments. Okay, add your Facebook account to account center. Click on OK. Okay, it is asking for me to enter the verification code. Let me just enter that. So I just entered the code, and once I enter this, this is what it says. Meta AI would like to send you notifications. I'll say allow right now. Okay, then next. So right at the bottom you see this icon. Just click on this. Okay, now it says shop AI glass. So click on add device. Okay, so once it says allow Meta AI to find Bluetooth device, I'm just going to click on allow here. Okay, and this is the one that we have. So let me just click on this now. Now it says to remove the tag. I already removed the tab, so you'll be having a small tab here. Okay, so I've just removed that, and it is now without that. it says blue LED turned on. Okay, now ours is not blue LED, it's orange LED. Okay, let me just click on this. It is saying searching. Please make sure that your glasses should also be turned on. I'm just opening this. You have a small button here. Okay, so this is where you have the button. Okay, so this is off. Let me just turn this on. I just enabled this. Let me close this and again put it in the box. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now it says. So now you see that, okay, it is showing. I just need to click on connect. Now even if you are not able to see this, right, right at the back you have this button. So click and hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should be able to see as well. Okay, first is make sure you have turned on the glasses inside the box that is there, then it is inside the box. Third, if it is still not connecting, just press and hold this button. Now I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so it says pairing. I'll say as pair. Okay, and towards that I'll be sharing all the features that are there and where exactly what options are available as well. Okay, so now it is saying add your Wi-Fi connection. So let me just quickly add the Wi-Fi connection. So this is our Wi-Fi connection. It's asking for the password. Let me just enter the password. I just entered the Wi-Fi details. I'm just clicking on next. So it says network added. I'll just click on next. Put on the glasses. It says to put on the glasses. Let me just quickly put on the glasses. I'm just going to take the glasses out. Okay, let me just pull this out here. I'm putting on the glass now. I just opened it. Wow, I'm hearing a sound that it is connected. Okay, I could hear the sound as well. Now it says press the capture button once. So I'm just going to click the capture button once. I just clicked on that, so it took a photo right now. Okay, now it says press and hold the capture button. Okay, I just did press and holding the capture button. So it has started recording the video, and let me just press once again to stop the recording. Okay, so that was done. Now tap the touchpad once, okay, to hear the music. Wow, there are some good music as well. Okay, so swipe forward to turn up the volume. That's amazing. Okay, we are actually wearing that as well. I'm just going to click on tap the touchpad once. Okay, so if you touch once, pause the music as well. Brilliant. So well done. I'm going to click on next. Okay, powered by Meta AI. You are in control. Okay, so you can just read this and just click on continue. Turn on location. Okay, I'll just click on next. Allow while using the app is what I'll say. Okay, I'll say as keep only while using. Hey Meta, look in. What am I looking at? Okay, so I was just holding a phone in my hand and I asked what I'm looking at. It did say I'm looking at a phone in my hand. So let me click on next. Share additional data to improve Meta. No, I'll say as don't share. Get ready to capture. I'll say done. Okay. Again, it says get more from your glasses. These are all the things. Do this later. And that's it. Our Meta glasses are ready to use right now. Okay. So let me just quickly record a small video and show you how the video comes as well. So right now I'm just taking a small video in our farm to see how exactly the video quality is. I am just taking a photo right now. Okay, I just clicked a photo of this flowers. Let's see how it is going to come. And I'm going to end the video right now. And I feel even the shades color may also be changing in the sun, right? So that's how it is. Let me end this video right now.